Meaning of job seeker.
Job seeker.
Job seeker.
Job seeker.
Job seeker. The term job seeker refers to an individual who is actively looking for employment opportunities and is seeking to secure a job. This person may be currently unemployed or looking to switch jobs in order to find better career prospects, higher salary, or a more fulfilling work environment. Job seekers often search for job openings through various channels, such as online job boards, company websites, recruitment agencies, or personal networking. They may also submit resumes or job applications and attend job interviews in order to land their desired job.